In this Landlord how-to video, we'll be showing you how you can amplify your reach and get more views on your listings by using liv.rent's built-in marketing features. If you're looking to rent your unit as fast as possible, sharing your listing is key. With liv.rent, you can share your listing to popular listing sites like Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, and Kijiji in just seconds, ensuring you're maximizing your results. If you already have a tenant in mind or you'd like to share it to your own social channels, we'll also show you how to share your custom listing URL and invite renters to apply directly. Let's start by navigating to our Landlord dashboard, located on the left side of our screen. From there, click View Listing, then Share in the top right corner. Here, you can invite tenants to apply to your liv.rent listing, either by phone or email. Click the option you'd like to use and a personalized message that will be generated that directs applicants to liv.rent to apply. This way, you can still take advantage of the many features and benefits liv.rent offers even if you found a tenant elsewhere. You can also click on Share Listing URL to copy your listing for easy sharing anywhere you choose. For an even easier marketing solution, you can transpose your entire listing to Facebook, Kijiji, and Craigslist quickly and easily. Let's start with Facebook. First, click on Share, then Copy next to Facebook, then Download Listing Images. All the photos attached to your listing will then begin downloading to your device for convenient access. Now click Go to Facebook to finish your Facebook Marketplace listing. Add your pre-downloaded photos, fill in the mandatory fields, and paste in your description. All the information from your liv.rent listing will automatically be added here, perfectly formatted to make creating an attractive listing a breeze. The description will also contain a link back to liv.rent for tenants to chat with you about the property or apply directly. Copy the auto-generated heading from the description to fill in the title field, then fill out the other required sections like postal code, rent price and payment frequency, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, and any other optional but useful information. You can add advanced details if you like, otherwise, you're done. As an optional step, you can share your listing to Facebook groups to further boost your results. liv.rent has official Facebook groups in both Vancouver and Toronto if you're looking for a safe place to connect with trusted tenants. Sharing to Kijiji is just as easy. From the Share window on our listing, let's click the Copy option next to Kijiji this time. Just like before, your description will be copied and the images from your listing will be downloaded to your device. Click Go to Kijiji and fill in the fields when prompted. When choosing a title, try to make it interesting and appeal to renters with notable features and a unique location. Select the category of your listing, then fill in the required fields like unit type, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, lease type, move-in date, and so on. And just like before, copy and paste your pre-formatted description in the description field. Let's add some relevant tags as well to help renters find our listing. Then, we'll upload our photos that we've already downloaded and enter our property's address. Finally, enter the rent price and select your Kijiji plan. We'll go with the light option. And now, our listing's published. For sharing to Craigslist, you'll follow almost identical steps. First, click on Copy next to Craigslist. Then, download listing images if you haven't already downloaded them to your device. Then, simply hit Go to Craigslist. Enter your city and select the category you'd like to post your listing under, following the prompts. Now, all you need to do is paste in the description section, just like what we did with Facebook Marketplace and Kijiji. Click Continue and select the location of your property on the map for better visibility, or specify a general area to protect your privacy. Click Continue to add images to your listing. Once those have been added, click on Done with Images. Scroll down to preview your ad, then go ahead and hit Publish when you're ready. Your Craigslist ad is now live. You'll notice that the first line of text under your photo is your liv.rent listing link so tenants can access it easily. For even faster results, you can supercharge your listing with liv.rent's featured listings packages. Starting at just $9.99, featured listings help you maximize your results and rent your property up to 10 times faster by getting your listing in front of more renters. These affordable packages also include promotion on our Facebook group with over 43,000 members. Our liv.rent listing has now been shared to 3 popular listing platforms in less than 5 minutes. You can still take full advantage of liv.rent's messaging and tenant screening features since renters will apply right on the platform, speeding up your rental process even more. For more how-to videos and guides to liv.rent's landlord tools, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.